It is a beautiful day here in Minnesota. I know you can't see the sky, but I can. It's like 75 degrees today, I think, and partly sunny, blue skies. No more winter, knock on wood. We're now foaming and cleaning outdoors instead of in our wash bay, and I couldn't be happier. Today, we want to talk about, because most of you should start getting your foam cannons out of the garage, because we got things to clean. I know when I get home, I got to do the lawnmower, I got to do the snow blower, I got a whole bunch of stuff I got to get cleaned up. Kids' bikes are coming down out of their attic. I'm going to do a whole bunch of foaming when I get home, and maybe we'll shoot a little bit of that content too. But for now, I got my PF22 foam cannon out. There are a ton of foam cannon options on the market today, a ton. And the hard part to know is what's good versus what's not good. I can tell you, since I've been selling foam cannons for 15 years now, and I'm partial to this, of course, because that's what we sell, but it really is one of the best foam cannons on the market for professionals and homeowners. One of the main reasons why, very simply, is because the quality of our plastics, which I talk about in videos, is so important. I've been over to a company that does wraps, PPF type stuff, 20 minutes down the road. They had 3 foam cannons sitting next to their pressure washer. 2 of them, the plastic snapped at the neck here, and the bottle was basically broken right around the rim somewhere in this area. And the other one, the nozzle right up here, all cracked, fell away, broken. They weren't using them. They were onto their 4th foam cannon. And I think he told me, and I don't want to exaggerate, but they probably go through one of those a year, cost them like 29 bucks. I can tell you, I've talked to so many detailers over the years. These will last you years and years and years and years. Now, there's going to be somebody in the comments go, I bought one, it broke after 3 months. There's always a small percentage of people out there that don't fit that narrative. But generally speaking, this foam cannon lasts you a long time because these plastics are of the highest quality. That's why it costs a little more. It's in the product. Trust me, believe me. And I'm not saying that you shouldn't go out and buy an Amazon foam cannon. They put out good foam. There's plenty of good foam cannons that are cheap from a price standpoint. If that's what you want to buy, it's your choice. I'm just explaining to you my experience over 15 years, interacting with hundreds, if not thousands of detailers at SEMA, Barrett-Jackson Auto Auction Show, all the trade shows I've done on the floor and handed people boxes as they pay for them. They get their money's worth. Buy one good foam cannon once and don't have to worry about it for a long time. The only thing in here I'll say that generally you need to maintain is the filter inside of here. There will be soapy water in there, and then you set it over in your garage somewhere. 3 months later, you get your foam cannon out again to do some washing, and it's all dried and crusted up in there. You're not going to get good foam. No matter what foam cannon you buy, it's going to have the same issue. Take the bottle off, rinse it with clear water, and get all that soapy residue inside of that filter out of there, and your foam cannon will run much better for much longer. Eventually, you'll have to replace that at some point on all foam cannons. It is the wear item. All right, maybe I've talked long enough. I'd love to do some washing. We got a little dirty vehicle here that travels to Wisconsin and back to Minnesota every single day. Let's do a little foaming. Did I ramble on way too long? Should drive some people nuts and waste foam. Oh, look at that. Wasting foam. It's unnecessary to use that much foam in one spot. Yeah, but I do what I want, so quit lecturing me. They say at least 2 inches of foam cleans it better on the car. Like, you want it just kidding, kidding. Everybody calm down. Calm down. Calm down. It's way too thick. Not. We are here today filming so we can trigger people on the internet. If you get triggered, comment down below. Hashtag triggered, hashtag too much foam. You know, one other thing we should talk about is a foam cannon, truthfully, is only as good as the foam. There are so many soaps out there in the world now, like plastics, like I talked about before. Like, there are some are better than others. Some people put crap ingredients into their soap, and you're gonna get crap foam no matter if you have a PF22 or the cheapest foam cannon on the internet. You do need to make sure that you're using the quality soap. Before you go saying, oh, I had an expensive foam cannon and it put out junk foam, like, did you have the correct orifice size in there? Did you have good foam? What was your water quality like? The foam cannon is a part of the puzzle, a very important part, but it's only as good as the ingredients you put into it, like baking. So the soap I'm using, which is red or pink in the sunlight, sorry, ADD. So I use our performance soap. This is a car wash grade soap from a blender just 20 minutes down the road from us. So we take big 255 gallon totes and then we bottle them down into 16 and gallon size bottles for you guys. We've been selling the soap for a lot of years and we sell a ton of it. There's a lot of good soaps out there too. Go on our website, check out our soap, buy a 16-ounce bottle. I think we even have a foam cannon model that comes with a free 3 or 4 ounce bottle inside of the box, if I'm not mistaken. We'll link that in the description. I'm gonna foam this up a little more. All right, just for those people who don't want to watch me put too much foam on, that is plenty. You don't need to over apply it, but sometimes it's fun to do that. I'm gonna grab my rinsing nozzle, so hang tight. Let's do a little rinsing. So, dang. So what I did there with the foam cannon, I added probably 6 or 7 ounces of soap to each bottle. Sorry, I have kids and they've trained me. I add probably about 7 ounces of soap into my foam cannon. Some people think you only need 2 or 3. I have all the soap I want out back, so I go a little heavier than most. You could go anywhere from 3 ounces up to, you could fill the whole bottle with soap if you wanted to have a fun party time. But yeah, 5, 6, 7 ounces of soap. I eyeball it. It doesn't need to be perfect. I'm sure that'll trigger somebody too, but let's make sure we rinse our cars though before the soap dries on here. Otherwise it takes that much more water to rinse it all off. So I'm gonna rinse quick here before our beautiful sun dries us up. Probably getting too close to the paint for some people's comfort. It'll be okay. It'll be okay, everybody, I promise. We could be done with these videos faster if I'd quit screwing around, I suppose. But what fun would that be? I love watching water go through like we'll say the cracks in the vehicle, these lines. It's so satisfying. Satisfying. Eat it up, people. Should we get really close? Is that too close? Is that too close? It's glass. You could damage the glass too. No, you can't. No, you can't. Prove it. I want somebody to prove that you could damage the glass with the pressure washer. Show me. Just kidding. Just kidding. Test rig, don't try this at home. Only trained professionals can get this close. So, as I've said, I don't know, maybe 30 times in this video, the PF22 by MTM Hydro. This is a foam can we've been making for a lot of years. I've been doing this for more than 15 years. This is one of the highest quality foam cannons you can buy in the market. You could spend $89.99 on this, or maybe a little cheaper if there's sales going on, or you can go buy a $25, $30 foam cannon from Amazon. But like I said, I've seen so many of those break pretty quickly. You're gonna end up buying a new one eventually. I know, somebody in the comments, I've had my foam cannon in Amazon for 5 years. It's probably because you don't use it every day. You probably use it 2 times a year. So for those of you who are going to get your foam cannons in and out, you know, weekly, daily, monthly, you know, and use it fairly often, buy yourself a good one. This one's been used by professionals in the detailing and car washing industry for a long time. It gets really high marks. I know it's not perfect and it's not for everybody, and that's okay. But we're gonna link the description down below. If you wanna give the MTM Hydro Foam Cannon a shot, you wanna try our performance soap that you saw here a shot, we'll link some of these products down below. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, if you wanna learn more, comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And if there are any other video ideas you've got for us, you'd love to see us talk about, you want to see us do any washing, any tools you want us to use, send us a message, comment down below. We'd love to produce some more content for you. Thanks for watching.